Greene here at Sarchione Ford, bringing this 2017 Ford F-250 Lariat with the lift kit. Let me know what you think. We just took in on trade this 2017 Ford F-250 crew cab Lariat 4x4 with the 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel motor. It is lifted and loaded to the gills. We do have a bed liner. These wheels are super mean. The truck just looks awesome. Only 18,000 miles on the odometer, so it's barely broken in and still under full factory warranty. If you have any questions on this truck, please do not hesitate to give me a call, 330-510-9613. As always, thanks for the opportunity to turn your business and trust. The interior of this Lariat is completely decked out. You got heated leather seats with driver's memory. On your steering wheel you got Bluetooth audio, cruise, and sync. Mileage is 18,033. Touchscreen radio with upgraded sound, dual climate control, cooled and heated seats. It's got the enormous panoramic sunroof, all your auxiliary switches. Tons of room in the back seats, and they are heated as well. Rear sliding window, auxiliary and regular outlets, and this thing's just super clean. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give me a call at 330-510-9613.